Ke sepetleleng sena moo dingaka le baoki ba fetolang maphelo a bana bao difahlego tsa bona di senyehileng. Ka mora katleho di-operationeng tsa bana ba bona, batswadi bana ba hlalosa ba thabile.
The first time when I saw my child like this, I feel like my child will never fit in with the other kids. One of us in the Northern Cape can give 100 rand to support this clinic and these doctors. It will change one child's life with a cleft palate forever.
Ke gutla ke le happy ke le monate ke siame ke itumeletse gore ngwana ke o hodile o montle ba mo dirile bontle.
Ditsebi lefapheng la Plastic and Reconstructive Unit ba re ba motlotlo ho tlisa diphetoho maphelong a bana.
We do cleft palate, cleft lip, burns reconstruction and other reconstructive procedures. So it's a joy to work with this Mouth Foundation because we have a backlog of operations.
Empa le ha ho le jwalo, sepetlele se ntse se tobana le diphephetso tse mmalwa.
We are trying the best. Of course that the public hospital has some challenges that unfortunately we cannot overcome quickly. So we try to book patients elective cases that were not done during the COVID-19.
Smile Foundation e keteka dilemo tse 21 selemong sena. Ke Katlehom Rapela, SABC, Kimberley.